নমস্কাৰ আজি তোমালোকৰ বাবে ক্লাছ 9ৰ দ্য সাউণ্ড অফ মিউজিক পাৰ্ট 1ৰ কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ সমূহ লৈ আহিছো আশা কৰো এই ভিডিঅটো তোমালোকৰ বাবে সুবিধা হ'ব আহা আজি ভিডিঅটো আৰম্ভ কৰো Question number 1 How old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music Answer Evelyn was 16 years old when she went to the Royal Academy of Music Question number 2 When was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? Answer Evelyn's deafness was first noticed by her mother when she was 8 years old. The incident was that she was once waiting to play the piano. When her name was called, she made no response. This made her mother realize that Evelyn had not heard anything. Evelyn's deafness was confirmed at the age of 11. Due to her deterioration in marks, her headmistress had urged her parents to consult a specialist and examine her. It was after this that her gradual nerve damage was discovered. This nerve damage had severely impaired her hearing. Question number 3. Who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Answer Percussionist Ron Forbes was the person who helped her to continue with music. Ron Forbes noticed Evelyn's potential and decided to help her. He started his effort by tuning two large drums to varied notes. He then asked Evelyn not to try to listen through ears but to try to sense it some other way. This made Evelyn realize that she could feel the higher drums from the waist up and lower drums from the waist down. Forbes' repeated exercise made her realize that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Question number 4. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Answer. Evelyn had a very hectic international schedule and does entertain audiences of various countries through her delightful music. She had toured the United Kingdom with a yacht orchestra. Apart from the regular concerts, she gave free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also takes classes for young musicians and was a shining inspiration for deaf children. Question number 5. How does Evelyn hear music? Answer. Evelyn heard music by sensing the notes in different parts of her body. She realized this special sense of music when Ron Forbes tuned two drums to varied notes and asked her to sense the sound without using her ears. Then Evelyn sensed that she could feel the higher drum from the waist up and lower drum from the waist down. Forbes' repeated exercise made her sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Evelyn says that when she plays the xylophone, she could sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. By hearing against the drums, she could feel the resonance flowing into her body. Thus, to sense the vibrations of the music, she removed her shoes on a wooden platform and performs barefooted. Thus, Evelyn said that music poured in through every part of her body and tingled in the skin, her cheekbones and even in her hair. Question number 6. Who wrote the prose The Sound of Music? Answer. Deborah Cowley wrote the prose The Sound of Music. Question number 7. Who went to the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London? Answer. Evelyn Glennie went to the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. Question number 8. Who asked Evelyn's parents to take her to a specialist? Answer. Evelyn's headmistress asked her parents to take her to a specialist. Question number 9. Name the person who spotted Evelyn's potential in the field of music. Answer. Percussionist Ron Forbes spotted Evelyn's potential in the field of music. Question number 10. Where did she go with a yacht orchestra? Answer. Evelyn went to United Kingdom with a yacht orchestra. Question number 11. Where did she gradually move from orchestral work? Answer. Evelyn gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performances. Question number 12. What can take one on the top according to Evelyn? Answer. According to Evelyn, hard work and knowing one's destiny can take one on the top. Question number 13. Name the languages which Evelyn did manage to learn. Answer. Evelyn learned French and basic Japanese. Question number 14. When did she win the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award? Answer. In 1991, Evelyn won the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Question number 15. What was told by Evelyn's headmistress to Evelyn's parents to do? What did the headmistress tell? Answer. Evelyn's deafness was confirmed at the age of 11. Due to her deterioration in marks, her headmistress had urged her parents to consult a specialist and examine her. Question number 16. Name the awards won by Evelyn as a percussionist. Answer. As a percussionist, Evelyn won the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award in 1991 and most of the top awards during her 3-year course in Royal Academy of Music, London. Question number 17. How did Evelyn become a great player in xylophone? Answer. Evelyn was very passionate about music, but due to her deafness, everyone discouraged her. It was percussionist Ron Forbes who noticed her potential and helped her to learn music. He started his effort by tuning 2 large drums to varied notes. Following his advice, she started to feel the music in her body. Forbes' repeated exercise made her realize that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Thus, when she plays the xylophone, she could sense the sound passing up the stick into the fingertips. While performing on a wooden platform, she removed her shoes to sense the vibration of the music, and thereby she performs delightful music in the xylophone. Soon she became a very famous xylophone player. Question number 18. How did Evelyn become an inspirational figure for the handicapped? Answer. Evelyn had achieved immense success by overcoming her disability of deafness through her determination and hard work. She set an example before other handicapped people. They gained confidence and started to believe that they too can achieve their goals in life by overcoming their disability with firm determination and hard work. Thus, Evelyn became an inspirational figure for the handicapped. Question number 19. What role did Ron Forbes play in Evelyn's life? Answer. Ron Forbes played a significant role in Evelyn's life. It was he who noticed her potential in music for the first time. He decided to help her at that time when everyone discouraged her. He started his effort by tuning 2 large drums to varied notes. He then asked Evelyn not to listen through ears but to try to sense it some other way. This made Evelyn realize that she could feel the higher drum from the waist up and lower drum from the waist down. Forbes' repeated exercise made her realize that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Question number 20. What was Evelyn's main achievement? Answer. Evelyn's greatest achievement was the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award in 1991.